The next step will be to create a roof plan. In this case, we're going to draw our roof plan right over top of our floor plan, just because it's a very simple plan and we can do that. A lot of instances we'll have a separate roof plan altogether. So the first thing I need to do is copy this longitudinal section. I'm just kind of copying it randomly. Could have copied it anywhere at this point. Just wanted to have a copy of it. And then I'm going to rotate it. And I don't care about my base point or anything, so I'm just going to pick somewhere where I do not grab an O-snap. Same thing for the second point. And then I'm going to, I need to have this perfectly lined up with this. So to do that, I need to have two objects that represent the same thing in the two different views lined up. In this case, I'm going to pick the outside edge of the wall there and that outside edge of the wall. And I'm going to move this object from the outside edge to the outside edge. And you can see everything's lined up. And before I do any other command, I'm going to do move, enter. Whenever it asks me to select objects, I can type in P for previous, enter, select my objects, grab a base point out here somewhere, and now I have that perfectly lined up. Now I'm ready to start constructing my roof. And double check to make sure that my roof layer is current, A-roof, and I'm just going to simply start constructing some lines. I can see from this view that my ridge line goes the entire length of the building. So I'm just going to come up here to the peak, or my ridge line, and I'm going to construct a line down. Next I'm going to construct a line to the limits to show how far my ridge line goes out past my walls. And I can use these lines to trim that line up, my ridge line. Just clean it up. And now if I look at this view, I can see where my roof line stops and construct lines straight down. Alright, I have all my roof lines on the drawing, and at this point I can just use fillet with a radius of 0 to clean up the corners. And that's the roof plan over top of the floor plan.